Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Xcel Energy employee account. For this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, now bring up the search bar and type in Xcel Energy login and hit enter. Make sure, guys, it takes you to the official link, myxcelenergy.com. Click over here, and you will be taken to the new interface. Just enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on the login button, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Password. From here, you'll be able to easily recover your password. That's much for today, guys. If you guys find our video helpful, leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon for our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.